Hello, so this application called Project Task Restriction will allow you to restrict certain projects and tasks to certain users. So let's see how this works. First, we will go to Project, Configurations and Settings, and we have to first enable this particular setting that is called Enable Project Limited Access User on Project and Task. Once this is enabled, we will go to Settings and we will go to Users. If I go to this one of the users, you can see a new setting over here called limited access project and task, and you have to enable the same as well. Now, if you want certain users to take advantage of this particular applications, you have to make sure that all the users have this particular settings enabled. For the users where the setting is not enabled, they will follow the Odoo standard access rights. So now I've enabled the setting for this user, and I've also enabled it for this particular user. Now let's go to project, and under configurations I'll go to project. Here you can see this user have 3 projects as of now, and I will switch to another user. Here you can see I'm on another user as of now, and I'll go to projects for this user as well. So now this user only have the rights to this particular project, whereas this user have the rights to all the 3 projects. So let's see how this works. So if I open to this one of the projects and I go to settings, I have a new option over here called limited access user. So let's say if I want to give the access to this user as well, I will add his name and I will go back to the projects and I will go to projects. Now here you can see now this user also have the access rights to the project that we just gave the rights to. Now the same goes for tasks as well. Now let's say this is one of the tasks over here. These are one of the tasks over here, and I will also go to tasks for this user. Now here we have tasks for both the users. Now let's say we are in the main user as of now, and if I go to this particular task under extra information, I have another option over here for limited access user. Now let's say this is one of the task and I want to give access rights to this particular user for this task. So I will add the name and I will save this. Once I save this, I can go to the tasks from here for this particular user. If you cannot find the tasks under my task, you can always go to projects and check the task in the in progress state. So here you can see it is visible in the in progress state. So this was the task we give the rights to, and it is visible in the in progress state as of now. Now let's say if I go back and remove this rights for this user and I will save this and I go back to the user again, and here you'll be able to see all the tasks. If not here, you'll be able to see here. So here you can see the task is no more visible. So this is how the application works. If you have any question, please leave your question in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.